Hey everyone, it's Tamara here and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a really cool, fun art activity. But first, we have to go somewhere else.
That's right, everyone. We're going outside today. It's going to be such a great video. I can't wait for you guys to see what we're doing. All right, let's get started. For this video, we're going to need some water, paint, a paintbrush, and a small canvas. Let's get started. For our first step, we're going to cover our canvas in our base coat. Your base coat can be any color you'd like. I chose to use white for my base coat. Next, we're going to take our other colors and randomly squirt them over our canvas. It doesn't matter how it looks. Alright everyone, here comes the fun part. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Throw! That's right everyone. We're going to throw it over and over until you're happy with the design. Doesn't it look amazing? This project was so fun. Great job, everyone.
Wow, wasn't that fun? Wasn't it nice to be outside? And look, our artwork turned out great. Don't you just love how all the colors splashed around, and wasn't it fun to throw it? I know I want to try it again, and I hope you try it again too. Comment down below and let me know how yours turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from the Boys and Girls Club. And I'll see you next time. Bye!